The Banks tab is used to create, view or amend all bank accounts and signatories of an entity. You can create a new bank account, its correspondent bank, and the signatories by clicking on the plus New Bank Account button. This will open the form to create a new bank account. Fill in the information in the fields and ensure that the compulsory ones are filled in too. Save your form after filling in this first section and then create the correspondent bank if required. In this tutorial, we will not create any and will proceed directly to the creation of a signatory. Create a signatory or signatories by clicking on the plus New Signatory button for this bank account. This will open the signatory form for you to link the bank account to a person found in the database. Please note that if you had created bank accounts before with signatories, you may import the list of signatories instead of having to insert them again one by one. Just click on the Import Signatories button. Save your form and you are done. Some points for you to remember. If signatories of an account are on a jointly basis, then at least two persons must appear as signatories. All active and closed bank accounts / signatories will be listed and appear in black. So this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for your time.